Hi developers, it's Guillaume from Ikomia. Today I make a short video to show how you can easily create computer vision workflows with Ikomia STUDIO, then push these workflows to Ikomia SCALE, and then transform these workflows into API endpoints. So first you need to download and install Ikomia STUDIO from our website. You also need an Ikomia SCALE account for this tutorial. So launch Ikomia STUDIO. Then in this example we will create a workflow about cat detection. So I need an image with a cat, so I just downloaded an image from unsplash.com. Links are in the description of this video. So here is my image. Now I need to detect objects in this image, so I will use YOLO v7 that you can find in Ikomia Hub. So search for YOLO v7 is here, so you click and it will download and install the algorithm on your computer. Okay, it's done. Right now you can open the process pan, search for a YOLO which is installed on your computer. You click on YOLO v7, apply on your image, and it will load the model and run the workflow on your image. So here is the results. As you can see, there is many objects. In this pan you have the workflow creator, so as you can see you only have one algorithm in your workflow. I will add another one for filtering the objects. So I just want the cat, apply, and that's it. You have a workflow with two algorithms and it detects only cats in your image. So this is my simple example, and now I want to push this workflow to Ikomia SCALE. So how to do that? So first you need to connect to your Ikomia SCALE account. Okay, it's done. Then you have a small button here, publish workflow to Ikomia SCALE. Click on it and just set the name of your workflow, so it is cat detection workflow. You can put a description. I will create a new project called new project, okay, in my space. So click on OK and it will push this workflow to Ikomia SCALE. Now I go back to the platform, I log in, and in my dashboard I can see this new project, so I click on it, and I have my workflow, cat detection workflow, in this project, so I can click on my workflow, and then, as you can see, I have my workflow and no deployment for the moment. So the next step is to deploy this workflow. So how you can do this? Select your provider, so we only have AWS for the moment, but you will have other provider in the list. Select the country where you want to deploy, so in my case I choose France. Select the size of your machine, so I will opt for an XL machine, and then click on add deployment. So right now your workflow is building and deploying on AWS. This deployment will take between 5 to 10 minutes to deploy, so we'll make a pause and I will go back after the deployment. Well, the deployment is finished, so as you can see the workflow is running. You have the endpoint that you can use for integrating this workflow to your app, and you have a test me button. Click on it. It opens a testing interface for your workflow. So first you need to upload an image. This is the same image that I used in Ikomia STUDIO, and the workflow is running on the server and you obtain the results here. So you also have the API response if you integrate this workflow to your app, and you can use information from this response. You can pick another image to test the workflow. So as you can see, it detects the cat. So you're done. This video is finished.